Next question, Katrina Domingo, ABS-CBN.
Morning, Undersecretary. The former Executive Secretary denied that he resigned out of his own accord. So ano po yung totoong reason kung bakit po siya tinanggal at sino po yung nagpatanggal?
Muli, binanggit na po natin ang ating sagot at sila'y nagkausap na po at sinabi nga po natin, pabayaan na po natin at sila naman po ay nagkausap na.
I'm sorry, hindi namin pwede pabayaan because the taxpayers who are funding the government and are actually paying the salaries of this administration is actually asking for the truth from the palace. Bakit po natanggal yung Executive Secretary at sino po yung nagpatanggal sa kanya?
Hindi ko po masasabi kung sino po nagpatanggal sa kanya. Binanggit ko po kanina na hindi ko po alam kung sinong kausap niya. Kung yun pa ang nababasa ng palasyo, dahil sinabit niya naman po ang sarili niya sa President's prerogative, yan lang po ang ating masasabi. At tinanggap po ang sinasabing resignation.
Okay, ma'am, just a follow-up question if you could not give us the exact reason for Bersamin's removal. The former Executive Secretary was not the first official who actually experienced this kind of treatment na parang they were caught by surprise with their removal. We saw the removal of Baguio City Mayor Benjamin Magalong from the ICI, also the removal of former DPWH Secretary Bonoan from his post. How does the palace actually explain the seeming trend of unceremonious removal of high-ranking officials in the Philippine seat of power?
Tanong po natin, tinanggal po ba si Mayor Magalong? Sino po ba ang nag-resign? Ang huli natin pagkakasabi tungkol kay Mayor Magalong ay ipapatignan, ipapacheck, ipapa-assess sa legal team kung mayroon ba na-violate. Wala pong nagpa-resign kay Mayor Magalong. Aksyon niya po yan, voluntaryo. Kaya hindi po pwedeng isama o sabihin na may unceremoniously call for his resignation.
Yung nire-raise po nitong mga opisyal na to is that nauuna lagi daw po yung yung announcement before they were actually called on or discussed yung issue with themselves. How does the palace respond to that? Na may parang gap in terms of communication within the president's inner circle?
Tandaan po natin, lahat naman po kami ay, ang aming service ay upon the pleasure of the President. Sabi nga nila, pagpasok mo dito, hindi mo alam kung ito na yung huling araw mo. So lahat po kami dapat ay handa doon.